post it? Here? Okay.
And roll it into a ball. Hey!
Put it, put it out, away from there too.
Okay. Uh-oh. Evan, this is my YouTube. I mean, good day.
No, my playdoh.
Oh my gosh. You want to play that?
Playdoh too. Whee!
Push. Push. Well, sticking me. Something. Looks like we could do this. And I'm doing this after A. Let's try this again. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hee, whoop. I'm doing this video wrong. I should have a rolling pin first. My compost. This will stick. Perfect. Let's go. Let's use the rolling pin a little. Now time to from a slime situation. Let's just cover it all with Play-Doh dust. Just looks like a fat cream. And one more. One more. I'm going to put it right there. Now time to let this dry for about 2 weeks. And I'm going to go. Hi, I'm back. This has been drying for 1 hour. It's still wet. I'm going to go. Bye. Hi, I'm a block. And now I'm going to do is going to put this because right here, squash, squash. Then get this out. It and get this. Don't need this anymore. Going to practice. Don't forget. And not to. Let's put it in a wet cup and squeeze all of it. Epic. This is for effort.
Did you done na?
Not
Huh?
yet. I'm not sticking everything. Beautiful
Done?
animal dish. Bye.
Ambot.